The Blackrock Foundry?
Is that the name of it?
Pretty sure.
Okay, I think this add-on's wrong then.
Could be wrong.
The Ohio State University?
Where's the foreman?
He's over there doing his own thing.
Angie? What?
It's Pagan was got aggro.
Whatever, it's fine.
That's fun.
Can anybody do a mid pull Jeeves?
Badass group cam.
That's what I like to hear.
I think you have
Who's
both
the
our,
MC?
our dudes.
Oh, is this ha? Don't blow each other up.
If you see me like dropping it off, don't fucking run right after me.
You were running after him. You both stood on top of each other on my screen. You're exactly on top of each other.
You know what? Why don't we just have one person click that and then run a train back and forth,
Just kill
as
it
opposed
close.
to like 4 people picking
Kill
them
it
up and
closer.
dropping at the same time.
A
Screw you.
fun fact with the bombs is the timer left on the sack is the timer you'll get with the bomb.
Huh, good to know.
Left is dead.
Kill this ogre.
Walk. Did you get the repair blurred?
I did, thanks.
Did not drop anything, but you are welcome.
Move over.
Tide's down now.
How close to you guys?
Half. That's active.
We should have two. We have 2 NGs over here. 3. How's it not done yet? What?
I was dead.
There you go. Just careful where the ogre is being faced.
I'll trank.
HP bot.
There's fire all over him. I don't think melee can even touch that guy.
Cold, can you stack stuff?
Yeah, sorry, I didn't. I think. No.
There's a shield.
Okay, let's do the elementalist.
Wait, no, for
Slag,
sure.
the slag. Okay, go, 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 go. Get walk up in 45. On. Nice, perfect. Go, go, next side.
Get this fire collar off me.
I went. How is he way over there? What?
Hold on.
I got him. Go.
Can you AG?
Walk up 3. Nope. Kill the next area. The shield. Gotta move him out.
One's dying.
Okay, get ready to kill the elementalists. Go. Finish up these fire colors now. Can we get that slag Ellie pulled over here?
I just
Trevor.
taunted one.
Good. Oh, nice.
It's here, it's
No,
here.
I love you, Pagan. Kill this slag Ellie. Okay, go. Go, go, go.
Got smashed by a guard.
I cannot tell if it's on anybody but me.
Kill next
Can tank
Ellie.
whenever you want.
It's like 15%. Kill this Ellie. Move out
You want me
melee.
to do it or walk?
Tide first.
Okay.
Tide's
Go.
out.
Finish it. Move next one.
I marked it.
Let's finish these two fire callers at 50%. Just AoE this down, and we're gonna go in like 3 seconds. Skip, go.
I'll trick next one. Everyone's health is pretty stable.
Oh, I see what happened. Pagan, can you say when you're dropping the MC? We gotta to pick up the security guards.
Okay, I was assuming it's when you go and you manage with your threat.
No, kill next slag, and the one in low on top of it. 30 skull.
Dead.
Skull.
UAG.
Get ready. Get ready. Go. Finish it. Alright, AoE all this shit. Stack
what?
this up.
Tranking now.
Boss up.
You get the boss.
Okay. So follow a cold streak. When the first puddle drops, you're moving to the left. We gotta finish these fire colors melee.
I went in taunted early.
After we drop the next puddle, can you try and coil?
Okay.
Taunting.
I'll go to the right.
You guys got tanks have to move. We're gonna get puddles on the melee here.
Yep, okay. Hoyo, bark me.
Can you amp? Cool.
5 seconds.
Cole, are we moving up or left after this?
I think we have to move up, right?
Walk, bark.
Everyone on
I
the...
guess.
Okay.
I don't know.
Uh,
We're on the melee now.
yeah, we can keep moving, don't worry.
Vigil, Christian?
Bresnitis.
Okay, I'm dropping one over here. You amps group.
Okay.
Last for me, please.
5 seconds.
Let's
Yes,
move
after me.
more cold. Don't run through the fire. Just do not run through the
Tight.
middle fire. Come on. Second pots if you haven't. Taunted. Ha, Vidge.
There's Rage again.
Move him.
Moses sack. We got this,
We've
nice.
gotta move him, move him, move him.
Yep, it's not like that big of an issue, don't worry.
Yeah,
I
but-
see.
There's, okay.
Like, melee has plenty of room.
Yeah, but we
You being on the melee doesn't matter.
You can shrink in 5.
Yep.
Tank damage is gonna be retarded on Mythic.